na ka jing pakhang ka new trap National Youth Front HNIF ya ka jingwan ki kali tourist na Assam ha tanga ka step ka atnutric na tung arjar pusaw bandrung shasora bathain doki kalapun long yo superintendent of police ka east castle district uba Sylvester nong tnger ban pentep banado ka new trip na tung arjar pusaw on Pynkhlaiñ ki bor Pahara ki banta ka tangar mauyong na lor ki we ki chaka khnang ma kanum don Jingthut ha ka lei kawan ki Nongwan Jngohkai sa ka Jylla habakren sigilap thai khubor ha ka no phai si ka atnutric na tung arjar pusaw uba Sylvester loong banakaliang ki Pulit ki lapan ngat ikispongot ki khot ka HNIF ki basha kem ne ka shitengsi na ka jing ujo sumoto namar ka jing pakhang chongki ya ki kali tourist ki bathumu banle seki chaka Jngohkai
em ngem yo tanono FR tamba ki tourist mete ha definitely la da ki on ki pan file FR ki la file be ki tourist for one of us ki bo ndrayo anda ki police officer la poi damati on the spot then it's kila shibek da sumoto case maba kila poi ki observing on the spot kila la paki detain wrongful restraining to ki tourist na kila take the case kila khang ki real ki tourist ban lech po komamnesh po soraj po doki molonong but kumjuro kila khangla ro ki police officer jani badon audit mar ki police officer jani audit la poi porbogan rai kila argue ki khangla di officer jani ro ban discharge activity ki don one key sections kalau pengat aspek di FM. We came to know that there are certain NGOs camping at Ogdengar and stopping all the tourist vehicles coming from Assam towards Cherrapunji, that is Sora, and also to Pulit. On hearing this, we quickly we sent a team from Sora positions, SDPO, OC Sora, OC Monga police station, and also the team from Shillong. On reaching there, yes, it's true. We found that the HYNF members were there stopping their vehicles. But on reaching there, the police personally promptly acted and allowed all the tourist vehicles which are stranded there to proceed to Pulit and Sora. And those HMNIF members, 10 of them were there, so all of them were picked up and a case is being registered in the Monga police station. Well, during my tenure, I come across this is the first time that the NGOs stopping the tourist vehicles coming from Assam, flying towards Sora and Molanong and all Pulit Doki area. This is the first time. So, of course, we have planned it out from tomorrow onward. We will be keeping our police personnel in the strategic places, especially that to ensure that for the safety of the tourists who are flying in that area. And likewise, not only in we also will be keeping in Moyong and in other entry places also, so that the tourists people will feel the safe and security in the state of Meghalaya, particularly in Shillong city.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro?
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia?
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba bha?
Kong. Kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bom tei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mar ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 don jinga dei kumno.
Yo i ya ka jing tei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngen ngat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke omkhnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki batei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne
nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi ya kiskem ICDS MDM PDS kabha na kabenta upajba ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan naga ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na kabenta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen dei na kata ka daw batang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng nang ni shakman tang da ukhau 45
Ba, pikiran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.